Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate an AI wedding photo or family photo. Disclaimer, this only works for like Asian couples for some reasons, but just add that. And then you are going to select the image, press style. You're then going to scroll to AI photo, and you can choose whichever AI you want to apply. There's wedding, portrait, family portrait, New Year couple and baby outlook. And I'm just going to wait for it to be applied, and yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. It's loading quite a long time, but okay, see, it looks kind of weird, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.